こんにちは、皆さん。日本語の学生です。In this video, we're going to continue with the JLPT N4 grammar practice. Okay, for this one, we're going to find the correct grammar, right? Just like before. これは花を切るブランク使うハサミです。You can pause the video for 5 seconds. Okay, so the correct answer is, this one is tough. Noni. Okay, it's noni. So noni used to express purpose. So it's scissors. It's a pair of scissors used for the purpose of cutting hana or flowers. Okay. Next, A. 頭が痛くて寝られない。B. 薬をブランクどう Okay, pause the video for 5 seconds. Okay, so the correct answer is 飲んでみたら。Okay, 飲んでみたら meaning try doing or why don't you try? My head hurts and I can't sleep. Why don't you try taking some medicine? Okay, next. A. すみません。ちょっと聞いてことがあるんですか B. はい。何でしょうか Pause the video for 5 seconds. Alright, so the correct answer is いただきたい。いただきたい. Excuse me, there's something I'd like to ask you to come for or would like to request that you do. Okay? And yes, what is it? So it's te itadakitai, would like you to. Next, 誰からブランクか覚えていないけれど、そのことは私も知っています。Pause the video or 5 seconds. Okay, so the correct answer is kita. Kita. I don't remember who I heard it from, but I also know about that. Okay, 日本に住んでブランク。日本語を使うチャンスがあまりありません。Pause the video or 5 seconds. Okay, so the correct answer is いるのに。So even though I live in Japan, I don't have many opportunities or chance to use Japanese. And next, Rin. 弟さん、もうすぐ大学卒業ですね。会社決まりましたか And then John. それが会社に勤めるブランクって言って、ギターばかり弾いていて。Pause the video. Okay. So the correct answer is つもりはない。Your younger brother is graduating from the university soon, right? Has he found a company yet? Well, he says he has no intention of working at a company and just plays guitar all the time. So it's つもりはない。Right? つもりはない。Have no intention to. A. ねえ、もう少し太った方がいいんじゃない ?B. 僕も太りたいんだけど、いくらブランク太れないんだよ。Okay, so the correct answer? Okay, so the correct answer is 食べても。So it's ても。Yeah, no matter how much. Hey, don't you think you should gain a little weight? I want to gain some weight, but no matter how much I eat, I can't. Okay, so it's the ても form. 昨日早くブランクと思ったけれど、 なかなか寝られなかった。Okay? Pause the video. Okay, so the correct answer is 寝よう。寝よう。寝ようと思った。will intend to or I will. Yeah. So it's 寝よう。I thought I'll go to bed early yesterday, but I could just fall asleep. Okay, next, 母親。学校を辞めちゃって、これからどうするの？ Then 息子。何度も同じことを blank. Okay, so the correct answer is number 1. Okay? 聞かないでほしい。聞かないでほしい。You quit school. What are you going to do now? I don't want you to ask me the same thing over and over. Okay, so ないでほしい. Want you not to. That's the grammar expression. A. トムさんが入院したってジョンさんが言っていましたよ。B. ブランク学校にも来ていなかったのね。はい。Pause the video. So the correct answer? だから。はい。だから。That's why. So, or that's why. Okay, so for the next part, we're going to rearrange the words in the options. And whatever word that falls on the line with the star, that is the correct answer. Okay? So let's go here. 中村、山田さんに注意したそうですね。田中、本当は for blanks 言っておいた方がいいと思って。Okay, so pause the video and try and answer or rearrange the words. Okay? Alright. So I will now show the correct order and the answer. Okay, so this is the correct order. It's 3, 1, 2, 4. 本当は言わないつもりだったんですが、やっぱり言っておいた方がいいと思って。I heard you warned Yamada-san, right? Yeah, actually, I wasn't planning to say anything, but in the end, I thought it would be better to tell him. Okay? So the correct answer is number 2. Okay, next, A. 隣の家族、犬と一緒に旅行に行ったよ。Then B. そう、いつも犬が blank 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 と思っていたよ。Alright, so pause the video again and try and rearrange the words yourself. Alright, so the correct order of the words and the correct answer is 3, 4, 1, 2. So, いつも犬がうるさいのに静かなので変だと思ってたよ。The family next door traveled with their dog. Yeah, I always thought it was strange because their dog is noisy, yet it was quiet. Okay. Okay, next. A. 足、どうしたんですか？血が出ていますよ。Then blank, 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 blank. しまって。はい。So again, pause the video and try to rearrange the words. Alright. I will now show you the answer. Alright, this is the correct order. It's 1, 4, 2, 3. 電車に乗ろうと思って走ったら転んでしまって。 What happened to your leg? It's bleeding. When I tried to catch the train and started running, I fell down. Okay, so the correct answer is hashitara. Right, number 2. Hashitara is located in the line with the star on it. Okay. And now for the last item. Again, in the JLPT, the last item corresponds to higher score, okay, or higher points. Now we have 5 underlined or 5 missing words here. So of course, you have to read the entire passage with the missing words to understand the context. So let's try and read. Yes. 下の文章はジョンさんが書いた作文です。日本語の勉強。Right? So it's written by John White. John White. Yeah. I'll show you later, the next slide, the correct answer and the English translation. But let's read. Okay? Or pause the video and you can read it yourself. 僕は日本語の勉強をしています。学校でも習っていますが、土曜日に近くに住む日本人の先生に教えてもらっています。漢字をブランク。オーストラリア人の僕にとって大変です。先生に日本の小学生が読む本をもらったので、毎日少しずつ読むようにしています。Then blank 15. 漢字の読み方がわからないと、それを16 blank 時間がかかります。調べてもわからないこともたくさんあります。そんな時は先生にメールして聞くようにしています。僕はこれから日本の文化をブランクと思っています。いつか日本に行って神社や寺を見たいです。テレビでオーストラリア人が日本でホームステイしているブランク。日本の生活も経験したいと思いました。And now choose the correct answers. Pause the video. You can pause the video and try to look for the correct answers. Or I will now turn to the next slide, the correct answers. Okay. So I will turn down to the next slide. So these are the correct answers. Oboeru no wa. So it's oboeru no wa. And then for the second, keredomo. Keredomo. And then for the third, shiraberu no ni. It's shiraberu no ni. And fourth, benkyou shiyou. Benkyou shiyou. And for the last line, no o mite. No o mite. And you can just read the explanation for the grammar. Okay? Now for the English translation. So this is the English translation. You can just pause the video. I won't read the English translation. You can just read it yourself. Okay?